In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit homepage on Salesforce. We'll walk through a simple, safe way to adjust what you see on home so it works better for your day-to-day work. First, open Salesforce and sign in. Make sure you're in Lightning Experience, since the home editor lives there. If you work in multiple apps, confirm you're in the app where you want the change to appear, because home pages can be app-specific. Next, go to the Home tab. You'll find it in the top navigation bar. Opening Home ensures you're editing the right canvas and previewing changes in context. On the home page, look for the edit icon near the upper right of the screen. Click that to open the editing interface. This brings up the page builder where you can add, remove, or rearrange what appears on home. If you don't see the option, it usually means your profile doesn't have permission to customize pages, so you may need an admin to help. With the builder open, select an item to add. The left panel lists available components you can place on the page. Things like a dashboard snapshot, recent records, today's tasks, or a rich text welcome message. Choose the item that will help your team the most, then drag it onto the layout where you want it to appear. You can click a component on the canvas to adjust its properties, such as which list, report, or dashboard it displays. To make sure you can see every option, switch the filter to All. This expands the panel so you're not just seeing recently used items, but the complete library of standard and custom components your org provides. If you also want to fine-tune what shows in your navigation for quicker access from home, click Add Nav Items. This lets you include objects or pages like leads, opportunities, or a specific app page, so they're easy to jump to while you're working. Keeping your most used items a single click away can save a lot of time. When you're happy with the layout, click Save. Your changes are preserved and will follow the existing assignment for this homepage. Depending on how your organization manages pages, your updates might apply just to you, to the current app, or to a specific profile. If you're unsure, check with your admin before rolling changes out widely. That's it. You've adjusted the Salesforce homepage by opening the editor, choosing what to add, viewing all available options, updating navigation items, and saving your work. You can repeat these steps anytime to refine the experience as your needs evolve.